PartnerStack is an incredibly powerful platform for boosting partner recruitment, and in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to make the most of it to expand your network, drive more leads, and increase your revenue. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to reveal a few insider tips to optimize your partner recruitment process that you won't find anywhere else. First things first. PartnerStack is a partner management software designed to simplify the entire partner recruitment process. It helps you onboard, manage, and scale your partnerships, whether you're dealing with affiliates, resellers, or referral partners. If you're new to it, don't worry. I'm here to break it down step by step. The first feature you need to know about is the partner portal. This is where your partners will go to track their progress, see commissions, and access all the tools and resources you provide. Setting up your portal is essential for creating a smooth experience for your partners. Customize it to match your branding and ensure your partners have easy access to everything they need to succeed. Now let's talk about recruitment. PartnerStack makes it easy to find the right partners. You can use their marketplace to browse potential affiliates or partners, or better yet, create your own recruitment campaigns. Whether you want to target specific niches or cast a wider net, PartnerStack has tools to help you attract the best partners. One of the most powerful features of PartnerStack is its automation. You don't need to spend endless hours manually tracking each partner's activity or performance. The platform automates payouts, keeps track of commissions, and even manages partner onboarding. This frees up your time so you can focus on growing your business. Another standout feature is the ability to provide detailed analytics. You can track how well each partner is performing, identify top-performing partners, and see where your marketing efforts are paying off. These insights will help you refine your partner recruitment strategy and focus on what works best. Next up, let's talk about integrations. PartnerStack integrates with a wide range of tools like CRMs, email marketing software, and payment processors. This makes it easy to connect your existing workflows to the platform and streamline your partner recruitment process. You don't have to worry about switching between different tools. Everything works together seamlessly. And if you're new to partner recruitment, PartnerStack's built-in training materials and resources will get you up to speed quickly. They offer guides, videos, and tutorials that cover everything from the basics to more advanced strategies. This ensures you're always equipped to grow your partner network effectively. So, to sum it up, PartnerStack can completely revolutionize your partner recruitment strategy. With its robust partner portal, automation, detailed analytics, and integrations, it's an all-in-one solution that saves you time and maximizes your partnership potential. If you're interested in trying PartnerStack for yourself, I've got some great news. You can access this software completely for free from the first link in the description below, and I've secured exclusive bonuses for you to get even more value out of it. Don't wait, this opportunity won't last long. Remember, PartnerStack isn't just about recruiting partners, it's about creating long-lasting, successful partnerships that drive growth and increase your revenue. By using the tips I've shared in this video, you'll be well on your way to building a powerful partner network. Make sure to check out that free trial below to get started today and see for yourself how PartnerStack can change your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.